name's Carl Luckwitty. I'm the product manager for Steriflow Valve, a division of Jordan Valve. We're here this morning to talk about some innovative new products from Steriflow, the SBC and SHC check valves. This is a neat product. This is the first sanitary check valve, truly sanitary check valve, that can be used directly in bioprocess for bioform or parenteral applications, and safe to use in those applications. Let's take a look at why. This is the SBC, the vertical check valve, and it's what I'm holding in my hand here also. Very, very simple in design. You can see that it simply consists of two body segments right here and a disc. You can see the disc here. This is the Teflon disc. How does this work? Well, very simply. Flow pressure comes in the bottom of the valve. When the differential pressure exceeds the weight of this disc, the disc lifts. In the case of the Teflon poppet or disc, or the peak disc, it takes about 3 millibars of pressure differential, a whisper of pressure differential, to open that disc. When the disc opens off the perimeter seal at the bottom, flow goes around that seal, goes through the holes at the perimeter and downstream. And it's that simple. Reverse flow pushes the disc against the seat, holding it closed. That's how the valve works. No guiding, no springs, nothing in the way of the process except a disc that floats. That's the vertical design. The horizontal design works exactly the same. It's just the configuration looks a little bit different. Flow in the inlet here, sloped inlet, up under the disc. Same differential pressure rules apply here. Differential pressure exceeds the weight of the disc, floats up. The flow goes around the perimeter seal, through the holes, and down into a sloped trough and downstream. That's how they work. That's as simple as it can get. What are the benefits of this design? Why would you want to use this if you're involved in bioprocess or parenteral process? Well, first of all, these check valves have superior functional performance over their spring-loaded cousins. Why is that? Well, they're a lot simpler, for one reason. The SBC and SHC have no mechanical guiding that causes hysteresis. Anytime you've got a stem that's sliding through a wetted, compressed guide, you're going to have hysteresis or stem sticking. Also, there are no conical plugs that are in this design. Spring-loaded valves have a conical plug that seats into an orifice. That spring causes variability. So superior operating performance. Spring forces also have to be overcome in spring-loaded designs. That's not true with the SBC and SHC. All we need is differential pressure. As I stated before, the Teflon disc and peak disc valves can open at 3 millibar differential pressure. The stainless steel disc will operate at less than 9 millibar differential pressure. Fast opening and consistent operation means superior functional performance. The second major benefit for the SBC check valve has to do with process purity. This is the best available technology today to ensure that your process stays clean and pure. Why is that? Well, the novel design with zero guiding in the wet means that you've got a lower probability of particle shedding than you have with spring-loaded designs. A customer of ours did some testing recently and backed this up. They found that spring-loaded check valves shed particles. They proved it on a downstream filter and a particle count. The SBC and SHC peak peak disc design, and the stainless with EPDM design were tested and found to shed far, far fewer particles than the spring-loaded design. Secondly, in terms of process purity, the SBC and SHC eliminates the cracks and crevices that are so prevalent in spring-loaded swing check are sliding disc designs. There are no cracks and crevices inside. They're completely free draining. So purity of designs means very pure in terms of the processes that you can put them in. Lastly, no sharp sealing surfaces with the SVC and SHC. I've got a nice disc that floats open and closed. I don't have a spring driving a conical plug into a seat. That means less shearing force on your process, which means better biomolecular integrity. That's all I have to say on the SVC and SHC. If you have questions or any comments, want to talk to us further about this, you can call us at the factory. You can call your Steriflow representative, or you can go to the web at steriflowvalve.com. Thanks a lot. Enjoy talking with you.